Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily clean leather products like this handbag right here quickly in under 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and tape the center portion of the handbag just to keep that area left out so we can see the before and after difference between the area that's been cleaned and that's not been cleaned. The product we're going to use for this is called the 3M Foaming Car Interior Cleaner. Even though it's called the car interior cleaner, but it's basically for any kind of leather, artificial leather kind of products like resin, faux leather, and all of those things that are used for making handbags, sofas, vehicle seats and all of those. And all we need to do is spray this from about 15 inches away onto the surface that we want to clean. And so let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to apply a nice even layer. Once that is done, you got to leave it aside for say 15 to 30 seconds for the foam to do what it needs to do to clean out the leather surface. The package does contain description of the ingredients that are used in this spray, so you can definitely go ahead and verify that to make sure that the ingredients of the spray are not going to damage your product in any way, as well as you can do a patch test on a smaller area before you actually apply it to the entire surface. That will show you whether or not it's going to do any kind of damage to your product. But generally speaking, for leather and artificial leather products, you can safely use it to clean stain and take away the dullness and bring back the shine on your leather product. Now, once you've allowed the foam to settle down and given it say 15 to 30 seconds for the action to take place, you simply take a soft brush or a soft sponge and very lightly scrub the surface where we've applied the foam. Do it very softly so you don't end up getting any kind of scratches on the surface. Keep doing that for about a minute or so. Just go through the entire surface, make sure you're getting the corners, the edges, all of those. Alright, once you've done the scrubbing, just take a nice soft clean cloth, just wipe off the foam like so, very softly. No need to use any water or anything of that nature to wash off or rinse off the foam. Just wipe it down with a nice soft cloth. And here the tape is already coming off, so you can see a clear shade difference between the area that we had taped and the area that we had not taped. So you can see how much of a shine it actually brought back on the handbag. The surface that we left off is the dark center portion, and the surface that we cleaned is the area around. So that's how easy it is to clean your leather products with this foaming interior cleaner. Let me know your experience of using it in the comments. Let me know, what kind of items you used it for. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.